The art of growing and cultivating trees. Welcome to silviculture, a cornerstone of forestry that not only sustains our forests, but also shapes the landscapes that we cherish. We're joined by Denis Beford, a silviculture expert with over 27 years of experience, is the driving force behind a new training program in Nova Scotia to give students hands-on training opportunities in living classrooms. Denis is actively training the next generation of forestry professionals in partnership with woodlot owners who are passionate about supporting our forests and our workforce.
Silviculture has its challenges, and that's what I like most about it. Every day is like 1,000 little mini projects that you're trying to finish or puzzles that you're trying to finish.
It's a bit of a metaphor for life, really. Figuring out how to work the land, how to adapt to the situation.
I'm an outdoor type of person. Working outside in the trees with the breeze, that's my thing.
I started in forestry 27 years ago in Northern Ontario. I did that for about 3 or 4 years and then moved to Nova Scotia, became an owner-operator of my own company.
What made me glad about choosing this path is the fact that I'm out here doing something that's good for our economy, it's good for our country, it's good for our forest, it's good for everyone.
It helps prevent forest fires, it prevents insect infestation. We need a healthy forest. In part of that, we need old growth forests as well. It all has to work together. The more silviculture we do, the more we can have old growth forests that are protected and sustained.
We're finally moving ahead with new training programs to attract a young population for vital jobs in our forestry sector. A training program like Denis is attempting to do is a real good start. That gives an opportunity for trainers and hopefully school facilities like the NSCC programs to use some of this knowledge to continue to promote, especially the silviculture work for the bush saw workers, because we need them really badly.
With my new project, I'm really hoping that I can watch these young students that I'm hiring have careers and move on to a fulfilling life.